I'm about to go on my first wild camping trip in about 20 years. Just pulled up. I'm heading up to Snowdonia in the south of Snowdonia. Wild camping is something that I've only done a handful of times in my life, and it's something that I've really wanted to do again. And I mean, the last time I did it was when I was back at uni in North Wales at Bangor University, and we did a week-long expedition on the north side of Snowdonia. Oh, there's a little lamb that's escaped the fence. Walked from Bangor out down into North Snowdonia, and one of those nights we spent up on the hillside. Stunning, loved it. And then before that, I had done wild camping when I was with the Scouts in woodland and places like that, building shelters, and that connection to nature, feeling rugged, feeling excited. So it's something I've really wanted to do again. And I've decided this weekend, it's May bank holiday. The weather is absolutely perfect.